Hey friends, this is Atif Opierfal and welcome to the new update on Litecoin. In my recent videos, I was showing you that Litecoin broke out another down channel on the 4-hour time frame chart, and this was the channel. And you can see that after the breakout from this channel, the price end was rejected by this long-term resistance of $114. That is a quite long-term resistance, by the way. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $114 resistance, this resistance has been previously working as a resistance here, and now again for the past several days, it was working as a resistance, and now we have broken out this resistance on the 4-hour time frame chart. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. I would also like to show you this recent breakout from another down channel on the daily time frame chart. You can see that on a 4-hour time frame chart, we have broken out this smaller down channel, and previously we broke out this down channel. And on the 7 days time frame chart, we will also take a look at this very massive breakout from this big and long term falling wedge pattern. And I would also like to share with you a quite long term trade signal for Litecoin that I shared almost 2 years ago with my members, and that is a very big harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that Litecoin has formed on the monthly time frame chart, and therefore this was a quite long-term trade signal and still in play. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of December 2024. In the video description, you just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for A and B, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade signal, like this trade setup I shared on 14th of December 2024 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to this long-term trade signal for Litecoin that I shared almost 2 years ago with my members on 29th of May 2022. And that is a very huge harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that Litecoin formed on a monthly time frame chart. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the pricing is geared up from this buying zone. And the sell target zone that I've defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this huge Gartley pattern start from $224.30 and goes to $348. Now let me just show you the live chart. And first of all, let's move to the 4-hour time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several hours or days, it was moving inside this channel. And after the breakout, it was not able to break this long-term resistance of $114. That was recently working as support here. And now again, after the breakout from this channel, it has been working as a resistance. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously this $114 has been working as a very strong resistance here in the month of April 2024 and in the month of July 2020 at 3, it has been also working as a very strong resistance. And now, again, it is working as a strong resistance. And on a 4-hour time frame chart, you can see that we have broken it out. And now, soon we may expect that the pricing can hit the target for the breakout from this channel. That is, by the way, here at the top of the channel, approximately at $145. By the way, before that, we have this quite long-term resistance of $135 as well. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here we have already broken out this down channel. And the target for the breakout from this channel that I was telling you was here at the top of the channel at $100. And you can see that the price and has rallied beyond that target. And now if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that we have already broken out this very big and huge falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout from this wedge, when we had this powerful rally, the price then was rejected by this resistance of $135. And by the way, this $135 has been previously breaking as a resistance here, and almost as support here as well. Therefore, again, it is breaking as a very strong resistance for the price line of Litecoin. And in order to continue this rally to the upside, now we will need to break out this resistance of $135. And the long-term target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern is, by the way, here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between $400 to $500. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.